When the world is loud and hard to bear, I close my eyes and you are there. A gentle rhythm, soft and sweet, your heartbeat guides my weary feet. I don't need a song or rhyme. Your love keeps the perfect time. Even silence feels complete when I hear